Hello, my friends, and happy Friday morning to you all. Just giving you a quick glance at the Trade Ideas Artificial Intelligence, the real AI, beyond ChatGPT, and this is what it's doing Friday for our premium subscribers. You've got a long right here, 32.40, which is at 34.06, up $1.66, 5%. You got this one, IoT up $1.37, a short that's positive 66 cents. Here's another long PSX, and that one could go just early. But basically, out of 7 trades, 6 are positive. This is the Trade Ideas AI, the real AI. That's why you should be subscribing. Come visit our test drive. Check out where we are.